everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make another shoulder bed. It's good size, not too big, and I'm going to little at the time so you understand. The fabric right here that I have for the pocket, 8.5 inches wide by 12 inches long. And I also bought the zipper long ago. I cut the extra like that. I have cut here that 3.5 inches wide and then 45 inches long. Now you're gonna fold it in half. It is too long and it's like this, everyone. And then you go on to iron all the way to the other end, and then after that you go on to fold in the center like this, both of them, like the top and the bottom, and then fold it back like this, and then you start sewing the straight line on the top and straight line on the bottom, just like you normally do. And the same thing you do, I cut exact the same. They're 3.5 inches by 4 inches, and then I did that. So after you fold, and then you fold again, the tops, this side and this side, and I have two. So everyone, after I sew on this the long way, too long, you make sure you measure your body. And this is the two things that go on the side of the bed. I'm using the ring. Check in my description if you want to purchase this. So put it together like this, clip it. So that two, and then these two ends, I use this one right here with the one that you can click it all over. So when you're done, you can click on this one. Very fancy. So I'm gonna place it in here for one end, and then fold it like this, and then going this way, go and sew this, and also the other end you're gonna do exactly the same. I have the interface and right here that I'm going to use to make the template. 13 inch and 3/4 of an inch by 19 inch and 3/4 of an inch. You're going to mark into 2 inches. From the 2 inches, go down 13. That's how I do. I have to make sure everything nice and even for me. So like that, everyone. So 2 inch, 13 inches down. Now I'm going to fold it so I can cut in two together like this. And on the top side here, either way, one left or right, you just need to mark 2 inches on the side and 2 inches on the top, like that. And then you go into round that area just like that, just around a bit right there. And now you're gonna fold it in half. And now I have the template right here. This one, I got it from Walmart yesterday, everyone. I went there, cannot say no, cannot walk by because I already saw it. Going to iron all around, and when you're done, you're gonna go around and cut 1/4 of an inch all around here. Okay? Okay, so everyone, I cut the man with the interfacing, and then the lining is the same size of the man. So now we're gonna do one at a time. This is the main side and the right side facing up. I'm going to fold it in half so you can mark the center. Oh, I have a cold, everyone. I do this side so you can see, everyone. So that's the center right here, okay? So from the center, I'm going to mark down 2 inch and 3/4 of an inch. So now I'm going to add the button. Now we are done with one for the button on one side. What is this one? Facing like this on the right side. On the main one, we did the right side right here on the straight one. Okay. For the line, and we're going to do on the curved one. Do the same thing. You're going to fold it. Okay, so I press on the curve. Open this up. From the center down, where you mark the center, right there, you're gonna mark down 1 inch and a quarter. Right here. After, whatever, you know, whatever, as long as this stay, it is okay. The right side of the button, mark down 6 inches from there. Then with the lining piece right here, I'm gonna fold this like this. This is the pocket. We marked it in the center right there. Alright, so 1 inch. 1 inch. Have a cold. And then you're going to mark down 1/2 inch. Right here, 1/2 inch. Like that. Okay. So now you can see this is what I have. 1 inch down, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch space right here. Okay. So we're gonna bring it back in here. Straight, even. Okay, so now after I pin this around, you're going to sew this rectangle. Go sew this one, sew this one, sew this line, and sew this line. So did it. So everyone, after I sew on this rectangle right here, small, 1/2 inch all around like that, you're going to cut this out. And you just cut a little bit like this. Cut through the other side too, okay? So just cut a bit like this. So everyone, after you iron and everything, this little thing, 1 inch flapping up like that, and on this side right here, this is what we need to add the zipper. So here, the zipper is here. So you're going to place it in. So now going to very close to this side and then going to sew all around this. Okay. So now the zipper and the pocket is here done, everyone. So you can just do this. Ta-da! So now you're gonna go to the inside. Okay, so you're gonna sew this up. You're going to sew a quarter up and in, started from this side, go up, and then on this two together, sew this. Okay, don't sew on the blue, sew like under hand is, and then go down here, quarter up, and then sew around. So sew this. Now you can see after I sew this, sewing on the blue, you gotta sew this thing is separate. Okay, so like this, and I sew around here too, a quarter up and inch. Now this is it. So everyone, we're going to put this together and we're done. I'm sorry, the video a bit long, so don't measure from the fabric, from the interfacing. You're going to mark 1 inch. Okay, so 1 inch there, and the interfacing right there. You're going to clip this on the right side, one clip like this. Okay, and then the other side you go to do exact the same, lining with the zipper pocket right there. Okay, so now we're going to put this on top. Okay, and leave this area open so you can inside out. So everyone, after I sew all around, but I left it here open. Now you can go and trim around, or you can whatever you want to do. Everyone, the reason why I don't cut with the pink and shear, or I don't cut the whatever zigzag, because the way I cut the interfacing and I sew right on the side of it, when you inside out, the interfacing help you to push out the line, the side, so it's easier and it's nicer. So now you go and inside out this whole thing. You see the pocket is good size. At the pointy, make sure you get the pin or something just to bring this pointy out. And that's basically it. You see what I'm talking about? It pushing out, so you don't need to do anything. Now you go and iron it. This corner right here and this corner right here, we're gonna work on that. So you're gonna do this on the right side, on this 2 inches right there. You're gonna make sure you fold this, everything line up like this. So for you, okay, now you're going to clip it down. You're going to sew it. When you sew very close to here, very close, and I will show you, okay, how close you're gonna sew. And then same thing to this side. You're going to bring this side over, and you're going to do exact the same. Make sure you go to the pointy, the corners, and everything it meet up like that. So now you can see I sew both sides in. You see that? That's the 2 inches on the side. Now this side right here, and then the other side right here, we're going to make sure it going to this, like that, okay? So now I clip one side in like that, and this side right here we're going to do exact the same. You can pick that up and then you can go like this, move this side over, okay, like this, move over, make sure everything is lined up like this, okay. Make sure, that's very important, it look nice when you're done. You don't want to look crazy. I mean, who want to look crazy? Clip it down. You see how I clip? I don't even care which way I clip as long as it'll hold it for me like that, okay. So now you can see this is what we have. So now you're going to sew like this, everyone. You're gonna sew very close on the bottom here where we clip. We're gonna sew all around here and then all around this. Go to the other side, go on this side, go all the way down, and then we're done. Now look at this, everyone. I sew on this line, and look at this, so pretty on this side. Same thing. You're going to do this, or you can get the ruler and then you measure from the bottom to here. It's the same length, but you can eyeball. You can see it right here. So like this, fold it on the side like that. Now you can see it's even. I'm going to clip it down, and I'm going to sew on the very close to the fold that I just folded. You see how I put the clip? So get used to it, everyone. I know it bothers someone. And then this side you're going to do exactly the same. When you put it like this, you already have the side like that. This side right here, you're gonna make sure it's even from the bottom of this and then the top here. Eyeball it. You can see it right there, and then you can just press or get the iron and iron this down if you want to, but then no need for that. It's just little thing. All you need to do, just clip it there, and now you can see, you get an idea. This is the side of the bat, and this is that, okay. So go on the fold that when we just clip it, go sew this fold line that we just clip, and then on this side, the one that we just fold, sew that very close to the fold, same at the. Look at that, everyone. So we finished. I'm so sorry it's take a long time, but if you want to leave me a comment if you think my video is way too long. I don't want to miss anything. So this is the pocket inside. You can put your cell phone in here. The pocket is big like that, okay. It's very, very easy to do, everyone. This is 9 1/4, and the white side from top down to here, that is almost 8 inches down. Very pretty. And I put it in here, that 2 kinder, and look at that. And look at inside. I put 2 kinder, the tablet in there, and then the zipper inside. You can put the cell phone in here too if you like. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the people who donate to my channel, and continue to support my channel by like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you click on the bell too, everyone, so every time I upload a video you won't miss my new video.